Hey everyone, welcome back to SynthScoopAI. Imagine you're standing at a table tennis board facing a professional player who launches a massive smash, the kind of shot that usually ends the point in a total blur. Now, imagine that instead of a human, your opponent is a robotic arm that doesn't just return the shot, but actually reads the spin and adjusts its racket in milliseconds to keep the rally alive. This isn't just a tech demo. It's Sony AI's Project Ace, and it has officially become the first AI to beat elite players in the physical world under Professional International Table Tennis Federation rules. For over 40 years, people have been trying to build a robot that can actually play ping pong at a high level, but it's always been one of the hardest challenges in robotics because humans move so fast. Sony's president, Spranger, explained that they wanted to prove AI isn't just something we interact with on our screens, it's ready to have a real physical experience with us in the world. The speed of this thing is honestly hard to wrap your head around, as it has a reaction time of just 20.2 milliseconds, while even the best human players take about 230 milliseconds to react. To see the ball that quickly, Sony used a hybrid system with 9 cameras and 3 special event-based sensors that act like motion detectors, only firing when something changes. This allows the robot to track the ball's position with millimeter accuracy and even measure its spin at up to 700 Hz, which is way faster than the human eye can track. But the real secret sauce is how the robot actually learns to play. They use something called deep reinforcement learning, where the AI trained entirely in a virtual simulation before ever touching a real racket. During this training, they use something called a privileged critic, basically a part of the AI that has access to perfect information in the simulation to help the robot's brain learn how to anticipate where the ball will go. Once they moved the AI from the computer to the real-world custom-built robotic arm, it worked almost perfectly without needing extra fine-tuning. What's really cool is that Project Ace isn't just about winning games, it's a moonshot project designed to push the boundaries of how robots interact with humans. In the early days, the human players actually had to wear helmets and pads for safety while the robot was learning, but now that it's validated as safe, this tech could eventually be used for things like assistive robotics in our homes or advanced rehabilitation tools. While the team admits the robot isn't a world champion yet and still has some unhuman habits, like hitting the ball a bit too early after the bounce, it represents a massive leap in physical intelligence. Sony sees this as just the beginning of how intelligent machines will interact with us in high-speed environments. It's a glimpse into a future where robots aren't just tools, but athletes and partners who can keep up with us in the real world. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, share this with your tech-obsessed friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive into the AI tools changing our world. See you in the next one.